So again I have a Himalayan with me. Kilometers are 2424. That's a very good number. मेरा बर्थडे थे 24th April. So twice my birthday 2424. और ये गाड़ी I don't know who had ridden it before or where it was, but it is super smooth from all the Himalayans that I've ridden. खतरनाक स्मूथ है. ये प्रॉपर रनिंग इन होके सेकंड सर्विस वगैरह होके मस्त 2 बार ऑयल चेंज वगैरह होके ऐसे लगती है गाड़ी. मतलब इट हैज़ डन 2 ऑयल चेंज. इट वाज इन गुड हैंड्स ऐसे सब लग रहा है. 2479 किलोमीटर्स. लास्ट 50 किलोमीटर्स तो मैंने सिटी में यूज़ किया. निकलना था सैटरडे मॉर्निंग, आज है संडे शाम. टाइमिंग इज़ 5:16. सो ऑब्वियसली कुछ इश्यूज़ आ गए थे तो मैं एफएसआई का डिनर मीट भी नहीं अटेंड कर पाया. कल रात को सैटरडे नाइट को डिनर मीट था घोड़बंदर रोड के पास. फाउंटेन होटल है ना, वहाँ से एक 15 किलोमीटर और आगे टूवर्ड्स गुजरात एक डिनर मीट था स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय कैस्ट्रॉल, बट वो मैंने मिस कर दिया. No option when you have office and personal issues coming up. But anyways, now I'm headed to Mumbai and आज I'm planning to push this vehicle and see how it rattles, how bad it becomes while coming back. Chain is partially lubed. कल रात को lube किया था but it is gone dry again. So I want to see how worst it can get with the after heating with pushing the bike, because previously when I rode for 1200 kilometers I had many times my wife has pillion also and we were going quite slow and enjoying the ride and all. So इस टाइम अगर फिर से गाड़ी मिली है तो थोड़ा अच्छे से टेस्ट करेंगे. Almost about to rain but everywhere else it is nice foggy. Superb weather for riding. बाप रे कितने सारे भर के रखे टेम्पो में. लोनावाला टोल आने वाला है इसलिए ट्रैफिक जैम हो रहा है. वैसे काफ़ी बारिश हो चुकी है इस साइड पे ऐसे लग रहा है क्योंकि एजेस में पानी भरा हुआ है काफ़ी. So his mom, who's my sister, and मेरी मामी, उनकी sisters, cousins वगैरह सब लोग रहने को आए हैं. तो they had some tablets, medicines missing, so I just handed over to them. Took whatever I had to take in exchange, and now because there's complete jam on the highway, I'm taking the backside road. I hope there's no jam this side because आज Sunday है. Everyone must have come to see the waterfalls and all. By the way, I'm not pushing the bike. I started pushing the bike in Pune just before I took a left turn from Dehu Road. I stopped after that because the bike is not happy when I rev it, when I push it. It is vibrating like hell. Not like hell but good enough, and once I start cruising at 75-80 then it is pretty happy. So I shifted back to smooth riding, soft riding, no rush. Thank God there's no traffic over here. What a beautiful view. Completely fogged. It's not that cold but somehow it is completely foggy. And traffic jam है हर जगह पे. दिस इज़ हाउ द हिमालयन इज़ लोडेड. एक टेल बैग है, एक टॉप बॉक्स है. इसमें मेरा यूजुअली लैपटॉप बैग रहता है. रेनकोट बाहर ही रखा है जस्ट इन केस आई नीड to get to the opposite side. Oh, nice camel ride. No traffic, we can move. That was nice. It's a good rush. भाई चपटी हो गई है, फ्लैट हो गई है, फ्लैट. Looks like it's brushed against something blue color. Crazy accident. I should be careful too because there's traffic from both the sides. देखो ऐसे भगा रहा हूँ ना, full bike is vibrating and jarring and what not. But if I cool down, if I don't push the bike, then I'm having a lot of fun. That is what I guess Royal Enfields are made for. Not to be pushed, but to be cruised on and enjoyed at moderate speeds. Panvel pe will try, at what good speeds I can cruise around. Because all this while till here I've been doing 4th, 5th, 6th, 4th, 5th, 6th, pushing up, down, shifting up gear, pushing down because traffic going, coming. It was crazy up to here. Look at it's all because rainy season people have come to enjoy. And this is gonna be our thumbnail. This is next to the Amrutanjan bridge, जो कि उन लोग ने I think last year तोड़ा या lockdown में तोड़ा, I forgot. Less traffic down. Oh, someone has crashed. Whenever you're on an expressway these days, if you're traveling at night, it is a bliss because they've now put up tons and tons of lights. They've also put up of course cameras and all, लेकिन ये जो lights आ गई है ना, उसकी वजह से बहुत प्यारा लगता है रात को चलाने को, बहुत सेफ लगता है. मतलब कुछ ट्रक्स वगैरह हॉल्ट हो गया है, कुछ हो गया तो वो भी समझ में आता है क्योंकि लाइट भी मूव नहीं होती है, वो ट्रक भी उधर ही खड़ी रहती है. फिर स्लो है तो उसके हिसाब से वो भी अंदाज़ आ जाता है. तो इट इज़ नाउ मच सेफर ऑन दिस एक्सप्रेसवे बिकॉज ऑफ दीज लाइट्स दैट दे हैव पुट अप. अभी तो शाम का टाइम है, अपना कितना बजा है, 7 ही बजा है. मैं तो मस्त नज़ारा दिखता था रात का. भाई साहब ये खपोली एंटर करते ही गर्म होने लगा है, जैसे कि बारिश किधर हुई नहीं है. इधर फील हो रहा है कि गर्म हवा आ रही है. टेम्परेचर क्या बता रहा है देखते हैं. इधर तो बीच में ही है. That day I could not conclude the vlog because I had to keep the camera in the bag because after Panvel it started raining like crazy. I had a halt with Abhijit bhai. I mean I halted at his place and there it started raining. It was raining up to Chembur very crazily. In fact I got delayed for my train also. I caught my train from Dadar like 3 minutes ago. Anyways, feedback for that day was that bike vibrated like hell after 3500 rpm. Up to 3500 rpm it was nice, cool and smooth like it is right now, but it was a lot of troublesome that day. So I had to ride the vehicle 60-70 kmph, and because of that almost I got delayed. I mean I didn't notice that I'm getting late, but I kept on riding that speed. Anyways, and second point, there's some issue with the fuel gauge of this bike too. I'm not sure how many people are facing. I've mentioned this in part 2 also, and even right now I filled 1 liter of petrol. There was already 27 kilometers ka range. I filled 1 liter petrol and still it is just showing 20 kilometers ka range. I have ridden like around 3 kilometers after filling the fuel. I'm not sure what is the issue. Anyways, I'll conclude the vlog here. I hope you like the content. I hope you like the frank feedback about the bike. So if any of you Himalayan owners are watching and can relate to the issues and good things of the bike, please share in the comments. We'll be happy to hear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you in a new video very soon.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me, and that's so low.